Welcome to the Device Configuration and Management course. In this course, you'll learn the essential skills needed to set up, manage, and troubleshoot devices running Windows 11. Whether you're preparing for a certification, starting a career in IT, or just looking to strengthen your technical skills, this course will give you the practical knowledge to support and maintain devices effectively in a variety of environments. Let's get started. For this course, you will need a web browser or other method of viewing the video content, a computer running Windows 11, and Microsoft Word or some other method of taking notes. This course consists of pre-assessments, video lectures with real-world examples, and post-assessments to test your understanding of the content. The video lectures themselves are divided into 5 domains, each with a particular focus. Domain 1 covers Windows installation and configuration. Domain 2 is focused on Windows features, application, and peripheral management. Domain 3 covers data access and management. Domain 4 is concerned with device security. Domain 5 is on Windows management and troubleshooting. Following along with the on-screen examples as shown in the videos and taking ample notes on the content will help ensure you maximize your learning from the course and your performance on the Certiport IT Specialist exam on device and configuration management.